All right, I've got the Jetec 16 pieces, cute pink piggy toy figures. So there's 16 total. On here, I got 2 of them already out right here. There's a total of 8 of each pink piggy. So there's 2 different styles. So here's the first style. You can see it's got its own unique look. The pig sort of looking up a little bit. And then you've got this style where the pig is more looking straight on. So 2 different designs, but still the same vibe, same general vibe. They look very similar, but they have their own unique style. It's sort of hard to describe the material, like sort of a plasticky material, but it's dense. Like it's not empty. It's dense, but it's still lightweight. These are great for cake decorations, some sort of a toy game. They could even just be sitting out on a table, just decorations for the table in the living room or whatever. But there's a wide array of uses. These are great, and I highly recommend them to you.